I'm going to do is, remember now, the printout is already out for those in this class. And on the printout, we have a total of 140 students. We have a total of 140 students here. We have a total of 140 students here. So please, if your name is here, make sure you sign today and try and participate. Some of you have started participating. Remember, those of you have started participating. So make sure you participate because you will earn marks for your participation. And when you come to the front of the class and you answer the question, you just look for your name here, sign, you sign over here, and once you sign, if you do well and or we agree that we should get a 10 mark, we'll get a 10 mark. Guys, do you understand what's going on? That's the beauty of the class. We carry every day you earn because you don't know the day something will happen. Maybe you have to go and see somebody or something. You can compensate for the class. In this class, nobody fails. We relieve you of your stress in this class. So we have two sets of envelope, but I'm going to concentrate on this one. So guys, remember, you're in front of the camera, and you're in front of the world, you're in front of space, and everything you do today will continue to exist forever. So be at your best. You can see the students that created this, they are gone. But we're still doing what? Talking about. That is creation. Creation has no end. It's an infinite loop. Continuous. That is why nobody has come out and said, today the whole world will cease to exist. The Creator knows that it is beautiful, it is very good, sustainability, and that is why even the UN talks about sustainability. If there's an end, do you need sustainability? Yes. So, what I'm going to do now is that I think what I'm going to do is, hello, I will be calling, let's see. They said ladies first, right? My sister, you, please come forward. Please clap for her, please. My sister, you're looking back, it's you. Yeah, come, quick, come forward. Not you. That's the person there. Please, stand up and come forward. So, right here, please show it to the class. Just show it to the class like this, okay? And then you can, please read what is here. Just read this.
UX users experience designer need to make the design visual pleasing.
Yes. So, is this pleasing? It is pleasing. So this is what the former students did. So I will read what she said again. She said UX designers, users experience design, need to make their design visually pleasing. And which among the agile team, among the agile team, who is responsible for making that visual design pleasing? Among the agile team. You don't know? Okay, good. She doesn't know. Perhaps she came late. We have 9 members of the primary agile team. And we have the user's interface what? Designer. They're the ones responsible for designing the look and the feel of the interface. So, like this person now, the person that created this envelope, if it's a website, perform the function of what? Of the user interface designer. Did you see now? Yes. But the back end and the front end people, the back end person is the person that will make sure that yes, this envelope can be viewed in the whole world without any loss of quality on the internet. That's the back end. The front end person is the person that will take this design, turn it to code, and make sure that those codes are what? Don't have error or cannot be hacked by an hacker. Can you see that? Yes. So you see how we are using user's experience to teach you from the physical space to the digital space. That's the way to teach you user's experience. Thank you very much. So she's now having a 10 mark. So we'll move to the next person. Oh yeah, who is going to come now? We have started with male. Let's start with our brother here. Our brother with glasses, please come forward. Yes. Please come forward, quick. So let me, okay, let's read it here. Please be quick, we are on camera. So this is one of the students, this is what they did. So I want you to please help us read what is here. No, just read. Yes.
5 ingredients of the user's experience. 1. Usability. 2. Copywriting. 3. Analysis. 4. Psychology. 5. And design.
So now, listen, guys, listen. He said 5 ingredients of the user's experience. 1. Usability. 2. Copywriting. Number 3. Analysis. Number 4. Psychology. Number 5. Design. When we were talking about user's experience, you saw that for the medical village, the contents there were purely what? Medical related. For the other one, that was pretty much, not the beats, the one before that. The Kampala one was purely what? Patterns. There was no medical stuff there. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes. But if you want to relate them, if I design a scrub for a medical doctor, it can go under Kampala patterns and also under medical village. Usability can be cross-platform. Can you see what I'm saying? But in this case, he's talking about usability as the ingredient of user's experience. Copywriting. What's copywriting? Talk to them. What's copywriting? Yes. Also, so copywriting is ability to do what? Document the owner. Who owns the work? And the documentation of the owner of that work will start from you, the designer. That is why you saw that when we created this envelope, the group that created this envelope started with copywriting by putting down their idea on something that is original to them. Nobody can copyright this. Nobody can say it's their work. It's to them. From here that they can go to a lawyer to now help them do documentation that they own this design. Sure, you understand what I'm saying? Yes. So copywriting is pretty much protecting your work. You understand that you are the owner of the work. Go and sit down. Thank you very much. So, please, my sister, come and look for your name and sign over here. My brother, hello, come and look for your name and sign over here. So now we're going to, this is very interesting. I'm going to have to call, who do we call now? Quickly, look for your name there and sign. Look for your name on that one there. Let's get it. You guys, student, you should be looking for your own pen. Okay, guys, you guys want to come? Okay, come over. So look for your name and sign. So now, he's coming. He wants you to. So this is what one of the students in the previous class said. You have to read this.
So business goals: increase profits, reducing costs, expand market share, and then user interviews, yes or no question, storytelling questions, then user motivation, avoid loss, user research, interviews, surveys, card sorting, focus groups.
Yes. Okay, so here is what he's saying. When we're talking about business goals, you want to make profit, right? In business, that's the end result of business. To make profit, not to be at loss. And for you to do that, you must be able to increase profit, reduce cost, and also expand your market share. That's to have more people demanding for your product. That's what market share is all about. Reducing cost will be, for example, we need to get cheaper materials. Where do we get cheaper materials? It's affordable, accessible, all those kind of things. When we talk about increasing profits now, will be what will be the price of our product, and how soon can we produce mass production, all those kind of things. So now, some of the things for you to get those information will be from research. And you will have to interview people. And that's why you do sometimes a yes or no kind of questioning, or you do storytelling. Please, like interview, please tell me what's going on in your environment that is related to this kind of demand. You understand? The person will tell you the issue of that place, what is available there. You know if your material is available in that environment. Maybe if you put your company there, you don't have to get what you need outside of that environment. That's what you tell you. Now, when you do that, how do you now motivate your customers? You motivate your customers by avoiding pain. That is, by making sure that they have access to what they need and the time they need it. Okay? So now the question to you is this. If you want to expand your market share, and this is a true or false question, if you want to expand your market share, is it good to work with other companies? Why is it good?
So, if let's say I'm just starting and already there's an existing company that already have the reach and the audience.
Yes.
I partner with them just so that I can use their venues.
Okay, so partnering is a good way to expand market share. Because you have to remember now, no man is an island, especially when it comes to business. Sure, you understand? So you must know where you fit in, and that is why you need originality. If your originality is good enough, you will still sustain your existence in that market space. Like, look at what we're doing now. We're using Facebook to teach design management. We're using Facebook to teach design thinking, users experience. We're starting our design on an envelope. Have you seen a class online that does this? No. That's originality that is focused, that is used to make us different from every other university. Thank you very much. So, you can look for a name there sign. So, who is next? So, who wants to do this beautiful one? Okay, you are here. So, read this. Guys, listen.
UX, design skills and mindsets, learnability, mastery, curiosity, creativity and design.
Yes, thank you. And what do you think about this person's work?
It's a very nice work.
Yes. Yes, it's a very nice work. It is a very nice work. As a matter of fact, you can turn this into, if I further develop this into a Kampala pattern, it will be really awesome. Yes, it's a very, you can feel it. It's a work. Okay. Okay, here's your question. So, if for example, you are the creative director for Landmark University. Landmark University is in Omaran. They are based in agricultural education, right? Okay. If you are the creative director for them and you have to promote Landmark University, tell me one solution.
Landmark being
An
agricultural setting.
Yes.
I'll try to understand what bigger companies in that same agricultural setting are doing that's helping them and also implement that inside Landmark.
No, but if you have to promote Landmark University, like now we have secondary school students who have not done their job. How do you get those secondary school students to be aware of Landmark University?
I can use that their uniqueness with that agricultural setting and put them out.
How do you put them out? Let me finish. Go ahead.
So, if it's up to me, I would, okay, I can use some of the products that I've gotten from, whether it's a farm, poultry, and I can advertise that and just be like, oh, this is coming from Landmark University, and applications are open, something like that.
Okay, but if that's a good, I like that idea. Go to the farm. They have a big farm there, so you can get some of the farm products, take it to secondary schools. Listen, when we say design thinking, you are designed for a particular purpose. So if you want secondary school students to have the awareness of Landmark University, the before they graduate from secondary school. You will have to go to those secondary schools to go and promote landmark university. So physically, you will go with a team of students visiting all the secondary schools in Nigeria, even outside of Nigeria, talking about what? Landmark university. And then showing them some of these products, maybe a big cow. You don't have to carry the cow here. You can create something like this, a slideshow to do that. Okay? Okay? So, slideshow. Let's show the slideshow. Okay. Okay, so wait. The next person, who wants to do next? Quick. No, Regis. Go ahead.
Empathy allows us to understand the user's pain.
Yes, empathy allows us to understand the user's pain. So, in your own words, you have a secondary school student that doesn't know the meaning of empathy. What is empathy? Oh yeah, share with us. What is empathy? You are on camera, so please be loud enough.
Okay, so empathy is just like
Guys, keep quiet.
empathy is just like that particular person. How to listen. So when you put yourself in that position, you have to understand that this is what the person is for me.
That's a good one.
Can I?
Yeah, you can sign. No, see, you don't have to be there. It's not your turn. No. Go sit down. It's not your turn. We're on camera. Put on your best behavior. Yeah, hold on. I'm ready. Okay, guys, the next person will be talking about okay, so this person, let me see what you guys can do. Okay, so we need another lady before I get to you guys. Yeah, quick. Oh, yeah. Read out. They are not hearing you. Try.
All elements
Yes. Font.
form
Layout.
was communicate.
Okay. Say it out loud now to them. No, from your head. Say it out loud. What did you say? Say what you read to them.
All the elements of your design, colors, fonts,
Layout.
layouts must have the design.
No, communicate your
Communicate your design.
Okay, now, listen, you have to say it correctly. All the elements, listen to me, all the elements of your design, like fonts, like colors, like layout, must communicate the value and the meaning of your design. Say it. Guys, listen up, all the elements of your designs, like colors, like fonts, like layout, must communicate the meaning and the value of your design.
All the elements of your design must, like colors, like fonts, like layout, must communicate the value of the design.
The value and the meaning of your design. You can sign. So, the next one now, we go to design thinking. And so, you are next. Yeah, quick. No. Stay here. Read it to them.
So 3 idea generation techniques. Think in reverse, challenge assumptions, and change or experiment.
Yes. So he said 3 idea generation techniques. Yes, that's what three idea generation techniques. Number one is what?
Think in reverse.
Think in reverse.
Challenge assumptions.
Challenge assumptions.
Change of environment.
And change of environment. That's good. So, next.
Prototype fidelity cost by complexity.
Yes. He said prototype fidelity is the cost and complexity of the prototype. Prototype fidelity is the cost and complexity of the prototype. Oh yeah. No, let's finish with that so that it's cool.
This says the think aloud protocol is useful. So it has 3 points under. The first is robust, the second is convincing, and the third is cheap.
Yes. So the think aloud protocol is useful because it helps you to gain robustness, it's convincing, and it's cheap. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, who's next? Guys, sign quick and move. Sign quick and move. Sign quick and move. Go ahead.
There are 4 strategies you can apply to make brainstorm effects. The first one is prepare and write down ideas.
Yes. So, hold on, don't go. There are 4 stages you can apply to make brainstorming effective. The first one is where everyone writes down ideas. And you can see how the ideas became a product, right? From writing down. So, in your case now, if you have to brainstorm, and you cannot write, what else can you do? Yes, maybe you are in an environment where you cannot write, and you have an idea in your head. You can do what? You can draw. Maybe on the wall, or anything, you can draw it. Good work. You have a pen. Only you. And listen. On the rest of the room. Only you. And make sure you put a pen. Don't sign for somebody else. Don't sign for somebody else. You will be in trouble. Don't sign for somebody else. Sign your name and leave. Sign your name and leave. Okay. Okay, next. My brother. Guys, listen very well. Yes. This is what he said. A pitch is communicating and presenting. A pitch is communicating and presenting your design within your organization. When you have a pitch, you have to pitch. And the pitch, remember the master your niche, know your pitch. It's ability to say in few words what your idea is all about. That's a pitch. Okay? So, and if you do that, that means you are communicating your idea to your organization. You will have to be doing a lot of pitching when you are working with the agile team. Okay? So you can sign. Sign and leave. Just sign your name and leave. Find your name, sign and leave. Don't sign for somebody else. So, guys, find your name, sign and leave. Now we're on to the next one. Here we go. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's move it.
One of the methods used by designers to generate ideas is to ask questions of the project. What has been what is why and why?
So, guys, listen to this. Guys. Go back. You can't sign until you answer the questions. Everybody must answer the questions. That's the practical. Everybody must answer questions before they sign. One of the methods, she said, one of the methods used by designers in generating ideas is to ask questions to push the boundaries of the project. What are the 3 questions? The first one is what if, why not, and the last one is why. So you can answer. Sign and leave. Yes, no problem, sign and leave. I don't answer the question. No, you can't answer the question. Leave that place. Leave that place with your camera. Leave that place. Yeah. down. Go and sit down. Only those that answer the question can sign. No, the time is beginning. Go and sit down. Okay, guys. So, sign your name. Okay, now, next. Let's go. No, I called him. Let's go.
Usability testing involves setting comprehensive users to perform tasks with your design.
So he said usability testing involves getting impressive users to perform tasks with your design. I will read that again. Usability testing involves getting impressive users to perform tasks with your design. So you can go and sign. Guys, find your name, sign, and leave that place so that somebody else can use this place. Okay, who is next? Yeah, calm down. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, he said, hold on, don't sign. A non-technical user is someone who is not familiar with technology, right? So if someone is not familiar with technology, what can you do to make that person familiar with? Maybe they don't know how to use your application. It's a market woman that sells vegetable and they ask her to open an online bank. How can you advise her? But a woman selling vegetable cannot go to any class. Okay, you will guide her. Okay, you will guide her as to what is needed to be done. She will not go to any class. Okay. Okay, you can come down. So after her, I'm going to stop the camera and start it again so that we have yeah.
Never you pass judgment on the answers you get from users in your research interview.
Yes. What she said is, never you pass judgment on the answers you get from users in your research interview. When you are interviewing people and somebody says, oh, I don't like that product. You can't do anything about it. You just have to collect information like that. That is raw information. You can't say, so you don't like it, we too don't like you. Don't do that. Your job is to not pass judgment. Your job is to collect what they are saying and pass it on to those who need the information to analyze. And remember, we have to analyze the data for others to start creating in a better direction. So also, yeah.
User context is very important in product and service design.
Okay, this is what she said. The user's context is very important in product and service design. The user's context is very important in product and service design. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me